Making a creamy, rich vegan spaghetti carbonara with crispy sweet potato bacon. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook your spaghetti until al dente. Into a preheated pan pour olive oil. Add slice of sweet potatoes as bacon. Roast until become crispy and caramelized, then take them out. For the sauce, add pre-soaked cashew nuts into a blender. 1 cup plant milk, 2 tablespoon nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, salt, pepper. Then blend until smooth. Into a pan pour oil. Add chopped onions, garlic cloves, some chestnut mushrooms. Cover the pan to make the mushrooms soft. Uncover it and add cooked spaghettis. Add that sauce and keep mixing. Break those roasted sweet potato bacons into the pan. Serve the pasta in a bowl. And that's it. A creamy, smoky vegan carbonara that tastes amazing. If this video was helpful and you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel.